Upon configuration, there are three processes that share information between your system and Rafter. At 10 p.m., any new course requisitions or new course materials are sent to Rafter for consideration with EasyLink pricing. At 2 a.m., current inventory levels are sent to Rafter for use in analyzing future EasyLink prices for yours and other stores. Finally, at 3 a.m., your local EasyRent prices are refreshed based on information that's returned from Rafter. Keep in mind, EasyRent prices will not change unless your local course materials prices change first. Sequoia has provided reports that show both the course materials and the EasyRent prices that will be available within your store. To assist with the confirmation of setup and the auditing of EasyRent activity, Sequoia has provided a few new reports under the Textbook Reports category in SCS. Depending on the age of your reports menu, you will either see Sell to Rent or EasyRent reports for customer activity, book activity, pricing, and price changes. Pricing and price changes are most useful in auditing the Rafter setup, and we're going to take a look at those now. The EasyRent pricing report is a list of all local course materials and what their corresponding EasyRent pricing is through your system. Let's go ahead and set up an EasyRent pricing report, and then we'll look at the results. Our report has completed running, so I'm going to display its output. And here we can see a list of ISBNs, authors, titles, and the prices, both new price, used price, and any of the rental increments that are available via Rafter. This is a good way to search for titles that you believe should or possibly shouldn't be in your EasyRent price file. The EasyRent Price Changes file is a list of those course materials that's prices change based on the 3 a.m. update from Rafter. It might make sense to schedule this report to run on a daily basis so that you can review price changes and adjust shelf tags or labels as required. I'm going to go ahead and schedule this to run at 7 a.m. so that the report will be waiting for me each day. In some cases, stores wish to exclude specific ISBNs from consideration for EasyRent pricing. By simply providing a list of ISBNs to Sequoia, we can create an exception file that will bypass EasyRent pricing and show only the new or used prices for titles that need to be excluded. Keep in mind that the report codes that you created in SCS are available in both SCS and Sherpa. You'll notice as I go to the Sherpa Reports menu, I can see my recently run report shows the one that I just ran via SCS. Likewise, if I select Run Report and type in Easy, the system will find both of the report codes that we just created. There are a handful of new report values that are associated with Rafter EasyRent transactions. Those values include the amount of money that Rafter is paying the store in exchange for the book that they are purchasing, the amount of money that is collected by the store on behalf of Rafter, and the amount of tax that is collected by the store on behalf of Rafter. It is the store's decision how those Rafter EasyRent values are included in their terminal and cashier reports. You should work with Sequoia staff to determine how the department sum value, the tax value, and the daily sales value on these reports may be impacted by EasyRent transactions. Sequoia also recommends an addition to both terminal and cashier reports that shows a daily summary of purchases made by Rafter from the store, indicated here by RFT buy, and revenue collected on behalf of Rafter by the store, here indicated by RFT rent. The difference of the Rafter buy and the Rafter rent values is the net payment the store should expect from Rafter for any individual day. Thank you for taking the time to view this EasyRent setup video.